Welcome back to Two Spanners Piston Broke with Matt here. Really surprised. We were up in North Yorkshire and we just drove past the Matthews auction site from Bangers and Cash, and they're super friendly. And yeah, showed them my kids and said how excited they are from watching the show. And yeah, they've let us come in quickly to one of the rooms to have a look. So it's going to be a really short thing, but I'll just make a video and yeah, share the experience with you. But I'm dead excited. So these are all cars waiting for an auction. It's going to be an auction in a couple of weeks. Found a lovely little midget. Very cute. Next to a TR3. Do like the Triumph TR3s. Lovely interior there. Got a random thing here, an Atoll, like a sort of a tuk-tuk, or an Ape, maybe an Indian thing. Then this thing here, 250 GTO. Maybe that's a bit of a giveaway. Might well be an MR2. Yeah, look at that. 250 GTO Tribute. Still pretty snazzy. But anyway, there's so much here, and I'm just going to let you have a look around. Little Volvo 340. Very first car I learnt to drive, because my mum had one. Lovely little 1335 Wolseley Vandenpla. That's lovely. So there you go. That was a bit of a surprise. Absolutely stunned by that. We were just driving past and I said to the boys, come on, let's just go and have a look at the auction house. And yeah, Mick from the TV show Bangers and Cash, super friendly, and he invited the boys and us in just to have a look at one of their lockups. They're preparing for an auction, so they're super busy, and I really didn't want to take up too much of their time because yeah, the kindness of their heart, they really helped us out here. Definitely a fantastic holiday memory, and I'm really happy that I could share it with you all through the channel. Thanks ever so much.